Hello, my name is Linda Nazareth. I'm an economist and a futurist. I find what's happening in the world right now fascinating. And if your organization is looking to the future, I think you need to understand it because there's so much change going on right now. You need to understand the international picture, what's going on in other countries. You need to understand interest rates and where they may be going from here. There's the commodity price issue, which has an impact on all kinds of industries, financial markets. More than that, though, there's the megatrends. We are looking at technology, we're looking at demographics, we're looking at future work all coming together. And these are things I would like to put together in a keynote for you that's not just on a high level, but that looks at the needs of your own industry and your own organization. And that's really where I specialize, in taking the big picture, but also crafting something that'll be relevant for you. Whether you're just looking at a short-term plan or whether you're trying to do a strategic plan for the longer term, it really is the time to talk about the economy. And I would love to get you ahead of the curve by helping you through this exciting future.